Hello, YouTubers, millionaires, multi-millionaires. My name's Ali. On this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button and continue on watching. Um, what I want to talk about today is credit repair and credit score. It's a very, very important topic. As you guys can see, my credit score right now is 748, which is considered to be very good. And why do you need good credit? The goal is to get up to 850, which is the highest you can get. But right now, I'm considering the according to Experian, USA.Experian.com, um, credit score is 748, which is very good. And the reason I'm looking at CNBC website over here to describe why do you need good credit. I'm going to play this quick paragraph over here. Let me turn this so.
The average FICO credit score has increased by 27 points since 2010 and reached an all-time high of 716 in 2021. According to a report from the credit bureau Experian, there has been a noticeable increase in credit scores for consumers across all generations in recent years, from Gen Z to the silent generation, age 74 plus. The majority of American consumers now score in at least the good range or higher. This is great news because a good credit score can potentially help you save money in the long run. Below, Select breaks down the major advantages of having a good credit score, with insight from Bruce McClary, a spokesperson for the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, NFCC.
Basically, with when you have a good credit score, you'll be able to get better rates on when purchasing a home, when purchasing a vehicle, getting credit cards. You get better rates, and so on. Let me just read these headlines over here real quick. I don't want to bore you guys with all the extra information. You'll have an easier way. You'll have an easier time retiring. Retiring. What is this here? I can't read.
1. You'll have an easier time renting an apartment.
Exactly, renting an apartment, they always do a credit check on you. With having credit score, you'll always be able to get approved at better rates.
2. You'll get the best rates on car and homeowners insurance.
Car and home insurance, you always get better rates instead of getting charged 7 or 8%, whatever the rate is. You'll be at the lower 2 or 3.
3. It's cheaper to borrow money.
If you would go to take a personal loan, just because you have a better credit, you'll get a lot lower rates.
4. You'll be better prepared for the future. 5. You can access perks and enjoy the best rewards.
Exactly, you'll get cash backs on credit card. You get rewards whenever you go to stay at hotels or different places to go rent a car. You always get better rates, better perks.
6. You'll develop a good reputation.
I'm going to play these here, and I'm going to turn down the one volume this way you guys don't hear that echo. Give me a minute here. There we go.
The most important habit for achieving a good credit score if you want to build credit and improve your score so you can experience the benefits of good credit for yourself, McClary says the most important habit is simple. Pay your bills on time. A history of timely payments is the single biggest factor in determining your credit score according to FICO, McClary advises. Bringing past due accounts up to date and keeping them there should be a priority for anyone who has been struggling because of delinquent accounts. Bottom line, nearly every facet of your financial life is impacted by the strength of your credit score. From loan and mortgage applications, and even something as essential as a lease on a new apartment. A good credit score can also qualify you for the best introductory offers and rewards credit cards with VIP perks like concert ticket pre-sales, exclusive events and even, in some cases, luxury concierge service. Read more about the Black Card's elite rewards. If you need some support in building a good credit score, nonprofit credit counseling agencies are a good resource for those who need help with a plan to get back on track with credit card and loan payments, McClary advises. If you're interested in credit counseling, be sure to ask whether it is a for-profit or a nonprofit company and ask about the credentials of the staff. You may want to consider speaking to a debt relief law firm if your debt has gone to collections, you're facing tax or legal concerns, and you need guidance about your rights under the law. But a credit counselor or financial coach might be most appropriate if you need a budgeting plan, accountability, and encouragement to pay things off before they get too out of hand. If you opt to work with a coach or a planner, you should look up their qualifications and make sure they have the legitimate education and training to help you reach your goals. The most rigorous certification is the Certified Financial Planner, or CFP. You can find a CFP professional in your community by searching the CFP board's search website, but CFPs typically earn a fee or commission based on your investments. If getting out of debt is your starting point, you can begin with a counselor or nonprofit organization, which should never charge you exorbitant fees. Here are some common credentials you will see for legitimate businesses and individuals.
That's the reason why I'm making this video, because I actually searched the internet for a good credit repair company and I found one. The link's going to be below if you guys want to check it out. I actually use these guys. I've been with them for about 5 months or so. The main thing that I have on my credit report that I'm still working on right now is I'm getting caught up with the past due payment. Because of the COVID, I had to basically stop paying. They told me I was allowed to stop paying, and now it's reporting on my credit score. And I had a few things from years ago that they also got. They got it all off my. They cleaned it all up. They cleared a lot of my. Remove a lot of bad reporting on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. All three of them. And as you guys can see over here, I'm at 740, almost 750. Which is very good. If I were to go to take a loan anywhere, apply for a loan, get an apartment, get a credit card, I'm going to get the best rates possible because of my credit score. So if you guys are interested in pursuing or getting your credit cleaned up, if you're having difficulty buying a vehicle, buying a car, renting an apartment, buying a house, and you're getting hit with bad credit, you might have small blemishes, maybe one or two on there that need removed, check out the link that I have below. And these guys, I've already tried them out and they worked out really, really good for me. I wish you guys the best luck. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the bell icon. This way you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And if you have any comments, just leave them below. And for those of you guys that are already part of my channel and the regular listeners, I want to thank you and I appreciate your support. Have a good night, and I will talk to you soon. And best of luck with your credit repair journey.